In this video, you will learn how to set up your own custom email sending domain. To begin this process, you will need your own domain name that you control and your own email address on that domain. I set up a fictitious domain name, tavorex.com, and my email on that domain is jeff@tavorex.com. First, go to your profile and enter your email address. This will be the email address on your domain. When people reply to your emails, those replies will go to this address. Next, verify your email address. The system will send a verification link to this email address. Go check your email and click the Verify Email button. Then come back to this screen and your email will show as verified. Now go to the Email Deliverability dashboard. Click here to set up your email sending domain. We want to add a sending domain. This selection doesn't really matter. Most people will just pick the first choice, Send. There are more choices here in case you need to set up several different sending domains. Let's pick Send and then we'll enter our domain here. Click Save. Now to get your email sending domain working properly, you will need to add specific records in your domain's DNS settings. This involves logging into your domain registrar account, such as GoDaddy, Namecheap, Squarespace, or similar providers. You will copy and paste these records as TXT records and a CNAME record into your domain's DNS settings. As you make these additions in your domain settings, you can click this button to check and see if you've done it correctly. If you have done it correctly, these will be green. DMARC is another setting you need to configure. Do it the same way we added the TXT and CNAME records above. Unfortunately, we can't check to see if your DMARC settings are configured properly in the system, but you can check that here. Once these are all green, you have one last step. Go back to your Email Deliverability dashboard and select your new email sending domain from this dropdown. Now you're all green and your email sending domain is configured properly. Here are some tips. Tip 1. Click the copy icon to copy the appropriate setting and then paste that setting into your domain DNS screen. Tip 2. Each domain registrar does things differently. In general terms, to find the area where you're adding DNS records, you want to look for terms such as managed domains or advanced DNS. Tip 3. Each domain registrar uses varying terminologies for different fields. For example, in GoDaddy, host name is called name and value is called value. In Namecheap, host name is called host and value is called value. In Squarespace, host name is called host and value is called data. Tip 4. Domain registrars are usually good about providing support. If you run into any problems, please reach out to their support and they should be able to help you.